Have you ever heard of, oh no, let me let you guess. Do you know what kind of berries these are? I can give you a hint. They're a lot plumper than blackberries and raspberries and dewberries. This plant here is only a couple of years old. I'm sure some of you that know me knows what it is. This is called a boysenberry. Not poisonberry, boysenberry. My father had told me about these boysenberries when I was a little girl. I think he said his grandma used to have them growing at her house. When he was a young boy, he liked to go get some berries and just eat them. And later on in life, he had told me about them, knowing that I like gardening and the great outdoors and all the stuff that I like to do. They get really big. I know you can't really tell the size right now, but they get about the size of your thumb. Like I said, this plant's only a couple of years old. Next year the berries will be even larger. Boysenberries are like any other berries, are really good for you. If I can get closer to that so y'all can see it. Yes, Miss Curly Q's out here hanging out. She's smelling them, checking them out. They're really putting on some berries this year. So just want to tell y'all, if you weren't familiar with the boysenberry, you can use them like any other berries. They are kind of like a mixture of a flavor of a blackberry and a raspberry, but they're a little tangier and they're a lot more juicier. So when I hang the clothes out, I'll just come over here and grab me a couple of boysenberries. They're really tasty. Of course, when I get more, I'll probably make me some jam or jelly or something with it. I will be propagating some of these as soon as I find another spot to plant them where they can grow over an arbor or something. Just another really good berry to have on the homestead. Very easy to take care of. Doesn't need much maintenance. Have a bunch of babies coming on down here. And yes, I fertilize them with the rabbit manure. You can use rabbit manure on just about anything and it will not burn your plants. It'll make your garden grow and make it beautiful. All the leaves are really green. So I just want to share with y'all another berry that you might be interested in adding to your homestead. The boysenberry. Farewell, Homestead family, from the Cozy Cottage Homestead.